at 8th MFRD Conference Jaipur on 5th, 6th and 7th August. I was just informed that we have crossed 400 registration for next year. These 400 people have already paid for their registration, and I know after 450 the charges and everything will go up, and this is only for this year. So let's look forward for that. Just an information which I thought I should give it to you. May I request Sawan, Mr. Sikka from Axis Mutual Fund, and our motivational guru for today, Mr. Akash Gautam. So before I call, this is what I have to share about this story. This is a story. What do we think untouchable is? Untouchable are these people who are the lower section of our society? Don't you think they also need investments? How many of us, other than this gentleman, have tried doing this, selling SIPs to this untouchable? Okay, we have few hands which are raised. A big applause for all of them. So this is what is the specialization of this gentleman is. Yeah, blue, as all of us do have. Success mantra SIP. Like a lot of people think of success mantra, but he thinks that it's only SIP. Okay, and we got a different definition from Akash today. Himalayas. So what does Himalayas and mountains mean? Grow. And he's reading global news. Okay, he's working with untouchables and he's reading global news. This is a meaningful link to invest. This is what he considers himself. AUM increased 3 times and the number of SIPs have crossed 2,500. This is what his recent milestone is. And he is he डरा देते हैं. This is what his speciality is. Whether it is an untouchable or a client, ये डराते हैं. अगर आपने defer किया अपना investment, this is what is going to happen. This is what is going to be the consequences. And this is his speciality. And how he does that, that is something unique. And this is his niche market strategy which I shared. He is working with this special segment. And vision, SIP size, this is what he wants, 2 crores per month. This is not per month. And some of the people sitting here have much more than this right now. But it all depends. So let me welcome Mr. R. Kannan from Coimbatore. He is, I will request Mr. from Coimbatore, Mr. Chol. Are you there? Yeah, please.
Around some 15 to 20 clients. Whenever you see him, he will talk only about SIP. In fact, he also motivates all the IFAs to do SIP. So that's about Kannan.
He's called Kannan SIP.
He is Kannan SIP. In fact, we all say his name as Kannan SIP.
So a big applause for Mr. Kannan. Hopefully we will see him next time at party.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. This is very, very interesting. Copyright. Access बोल रहा है कि इसका copyright हमारे पास है. But again, this is what we were learning yesterday. Santosh Nair and Akash Gautam also shared our views. This is what we were talking. Yesterday's speech we were talking about becoming a life advisor, and today we were talking about life portfolio. I think these are the two things which is the essence of our learning for these 2 days. And I think he's working very, very hard on this. And the passion with which he is working, that's amazing. That's amazing. Once he comes, we will all listening from him only. Blue. I think this is something which I will make blue from next time. I need not ask. So, yeah, success mantra is he's working for passion. And he's doing all these things. Switzerland, I think Axis has created some beautiful things at their stall, which I think he must have made that. Okay, so I was telling Saman, if there is an award to give best crowd puller at the stalls, I think Axis has done that. So, watching movies, what type of movies, I think he is going to share that. And again, meaningful link to invest early. I think this is what is the focus area, and he is able to do that. That is important. This is, again, he has want to create this one of the world's best financial planning organization. Focus on limited numbers, but again, he is paying. He is rejected, he is not accepted business of so many clients because they were not paying him fees. And niche market strategy, whatever way, whatever possible ways, we will be doing this. Vision 2020, 5,000 families with 50 employed consultants working under him. So can we give a big round of applause for Nitin Rajkumar Sawant from a city, a small town called Sangli.
Taluka place called Vita, and working on the focus area, very focused, with limited numbers. Yesterday told Santosh Nayaji, and some of the senior persons here, they are always working on financial planning, like Gaurav Mushwara ji. They are helping me to know how we can do the value to our advice to our clients. So that's my
I thank Sadik for sharing his story with me and then taking it forward. Thank you. Thank you, Lulu. Thank you very much. I have not called as yet. Anyone? One. Karan? And HDFC, anyone is there? Yes, please do come. And Karan? No one from UTI? This is for you, Nitin. Okay. This story. Okay. See, these are certain points. Maybe some of the points we all can take as a learning for all of us and work on this once we go back home and again start working with our clients. Investor categorizer. Have you heard something like this? We have been talking about creating your own client segment and working on that. But he is doing something, he is categorizing. He will address certain clients only to them together. If he is with doctors, he is with only doctors. If he is with teachers, he is only with teachers. So this is what speciality is. One of our previous Samman owner, he has mentioned about this particular place where that's his dream destination, where he would like to go and enjoy his holidays, but he is a person who is staying there. Can anybody guess that place? Oh. Good, who was that? Rajesh, we'll have a gift for you. Great. So this is investor categorizer, they call him. Again a blue. But these are like holiday colors, huh? This was very, very specific. What color you would like to wear when you are on holiday? Still it is blue. Client-centric approach. There is no predetermined model as such. And there is no specific place which he is saying he should be going, but it is all about being with family and without a mobile. Old Hindi songs, I think yesterday he must have enjoyed old Hindi songs. We never saw you coming up and singing a song for all of us. And this is what he wished to do, set up a state of the Art Financial Center, Sikkim. So he is from the city of Sikkim, Gangtok. And this is what, there is a double A. This is his recent milestone, not only in Sikkim but also from North Bengal. He has been doing significant work. Categorization is something which is specialized in, and he has been doing that very, very successfully for so many years. This is what he is doing. Typical post office investors at every corner of Sikkim. This is what his niche market strategy. And he wants each and every investor, each and every person in his city to become a mutual fund investor. So let's welcome Mr. Anup Hirani from Gangtok. One thing you would like to share?
Firstly, I would like to thank MFRT for giving me this platform. It is more special for a particular reason. That is, I have been receiving awards from AMCs on a regular basis. But there is some vested interest in case of AMC when they are awarding us. But when it comes to MFRT platform, this is an award which is extremely special for me for a simple reason that it is I am getting this award from my own fraternity. I am being recognized within my own people. Thank you so much.
So it is all about a journey, huh? Are we enjoying this journey? We were enjoying as a team working for MFRT conference for last, I think, it's almost a month. And that journey, that happiness, that was so pleasing to all of us. But finally, when the destination comes, that's it, it's just gone. And probably tomorrow, everything will be done. But we all enjoyed, and that's what I think Akash Gautam was also telling. It's all about the journey, which we really need to enjoy. And that was very, very nice. So somebody, I'll not name the city, he was telling, हमारे यहाँ पे association है, बहुत छोटा सा एसोसिएशन है लेकिन बनती नहीं है, लोगों का ईगो क्लैश हो जाता है, हम लोग बातें नहीं कर पाते हैं और फिर सब कुछ वैसे का वैसा रह जाता है. आप लोग 7 साल 9 सालों से एक साथ हो और कोई सा काम कोई कर रहा है, कोई काम कोई कर रहा है, हम लोग हर साल आते हैं, देखते हैं इस चीज़ों को और हम लोगों को लगता है कि ये हाउ ऑल दिस थिंग इज हैपनिंग. तो मैंने कहा आप देख रहे हो, आप ही बताओ. नहीं, ये बहुत स्पेशल है, पता नहीं हम लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन लेनी चाहिए, हम लोग कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं, बट सम और अदर वे दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज ग्रेट, व्हिच इज यूनिक, व्हिच यू आर डूइंग एज आवर सेंटर. तो मेरे को इस बात पे ना गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की बात याद आती है. उन्होंने उनसे पूछा गया था कि जब आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिला, क्या आपको ऐसे लोग मिले जो आपको नीचे गिराना चाहते थे? डिड यू कम अक्रॉस पीपल हु वांटेड टू पुट यू डाउन? He said, how did you manage to get this? He said, it's not only people who wanted to pull me down, but there were people who were just trying every bit so that I am not doing what I am willing to do. But my focus was somewhere here. And I put all my 100% energy there. And because of that, after a certain point of time, I reached there and all those people became insignificant. So I think that's the answer for you as you asked me. So whatever the goal, whatever the focus is there, and I think everybody is working for that. So I think a real Samman, I will be calling my team also a little later after we finish all these 11 stories, because these are the people actually we have been working and looking at that particular focus, and selflessly everybody is contributing. Many times a lot of conflicts happen. We have also difference of opinions. Certain things are done which is not, maybe somebody is liking it, but still we all are staying together. Because our focus is not that individual. It's not Suresh Mohta, or it's not Kanak Jain, or it's not Bindu. It's the focus which is for MFRT. Can we have a big applause for the team MFRT doing all this? Thank you. Let's share this new story. I will call again Anirudh and Sam. Anyone else from any other AMC? See, this has become an ideal platform for IFAs. I am no AMC guys. Please come on. Idea man. Okay? How many of you think that you are an idea man? Every time, whenever you meet this gentleman, this is what the people in his city and his clients tell him. He is there with a new idea. I don't know how many people interacted with this gentleman in last 2 days and they have got an idea. Because I think what he believes is, I have one idea and if you have one idea, if we exchange it, it will become 2 ideas for both of us. But the way he is working on this, that is something very, very interesting. Yeah, this is different, huh? Can we give an applause for this? Finally, we find somebody other than the blue. So let's see what he is. This is his holiday color. Okay, hard work, honesty, and being punctual. This is all again discipline which Akash Gautam was mentioning today. Perfect holiday, it's Leh Ladakh. And bike. Yeah, this is the favorite sport which he is wished to do one thing before he leaves. Maybe he can share something on this also. And recent milestones, 100% growth in the number of SIPs in last 1 year. And because of the reason he is an idea man, the only thing which works with him is think, and think. And his niche market strategy is he's an asset allocator. He will ensure that the people are in debt when they should be in debt, and they should be in equity when they should be in equity. And he wants to grow 10 times. This is his vision. Let's all welcome our next MFRT Samman, Mr. D.N. Prasad. He comes from a town called Mysore.
PMS story. In fact, PMS is one product which is a high ticket sale, little bit volume is there. And if I see the penetration as far as IFA, and that also in B15, it's not that much. He was the person who changed the rule. And he has created a retail product. Now, majority of his investors are now having a PMS product, and he changed the rule and he showed us that actually it is a retail product, and if a person can give a 5 lakh check in mutual fund, definitely he is having a net worth of more than 25-30 lakhs, which he can do in PMS. So that's the difference of this person. He thinks and he does something which is totally different than others. So I think a big round of applause to him.
Yeah, good evening. I just could not answer one question where Mr. Jain sent me about what you want to do before you leave this world. I could not answer because I don't want to leave this world. I'm very happy in my profession, and the whole credit goes to my dad. You'll be surprised. I lost my dad when I was 14 years. Of course, it's about 35 years from now. When I was 10 years, he just gave me a rough idea about the difference between America and India. Nowadays, it's called as US. The difference is very simple. We work for 10 years, save, and spend on the 11th year. Whereas US people, they borrow money, spend, and repay for the next 10 years. So that made me to get into the savings business. That's about the past. I have one more to share about the past. This is my 25th year. It's a coincide. I got the CNBC award also for the best South Indian Tier 2 performing advisor. And one of my clients whom I met recently asked me a question which I was waiting since 25 years. It was very simple. He said, I have so many advisors, so many banks who are promoting mutual fund. Why should I come to you? I just came out, started jumping because that was a question which I was expecting from my clients since 25 years. And I want to share another, which is a future, which I keep sharing with my clients, with my friends. I'm into an organization where I am supposed to give 30 seconds about the product. Within 30 seconds, I'm supposed to say about the product, about my product, about mutual fund. And one day, I stood up and said, in the next 2 years, my son is getting married. I welcome all of you. And the specialty of that marriage will be, I'll be cutting the expenses by 25% and investing that 25% into mutual funds, which can take care of my son's son, that grandson.